Hi, I'm Marche, and it's the best time of the year. Glitter, glitter, glitter.
Glitter.
It's that time of the year where all the looks involve glitter. And I love glitter. So I'm going to show you a perfect look for New Year's Eve involving glitter. Let's go. How many times can I say glitter? I personally love glitter, but one thing about it, glitter is going to get everywhere. So I personally like to do my eyes first. The look we're going for today has a really sharp edge, and to ensure that our edge is sharper than a knife, we're going to use a piece of tape. You take a small piece of regular tape and lay it following the natural corner of your eye. You also want to ensure that your angles are about the same so that your eye look can be as symmetrical as possible. I'm going to do one eye off camera and then I'll be right back. I'm back! If only it was that easy in real life. Taking your favorite black shadow, you're going to build that up along the edge of the tape and take it onto your lid, not crossing your pupil. All the brushes that we're using are going to be very small, detailed brushes because we're using a lot of dark colors, and I like to have control when I'm using dark colors. Taking a small tapered brush, we're going to take a muted black, it's somewhere in the middle, to blend out the edges of the black that we just laid down. Picking back up the brush that we put our black down with, we're going to gently brush some black into our crease. Picking up the fluffy brush that we just used, we're going to do the exact same thing and blend out those edges. Taking another fluffy brush, this one is a little wider than the other two we have been using, we're going to take a deep brown and we're going to blend everything that we just blended. At this point in the eye look, you may feel like your black has lost some of its intensity. Don't worry. Once we add our glitter, we're going to go back and build that black back up. Before we lay our glitter glue down and our glitter, we're going to go in with a pigment shadow that matches the color of our glitter, just to ensure that none of our skin is peeking through under the glitter, but the same color scheme. You're going to take a flat brush to apply that shadow to your lid. Adding a shadow the same color as your glitter underneath just ensures that none of your skin peeks through on any spots that may not get any glitter. This keeps the look cohesive and uniformed. Tapping motions work best in my opinion. Taking a flat but fluffy brush to apply our glitter. Apply your glitter in small batches so that you can have control over where the glitter is going. Now, because I'm a woman of my word, we're going to go back in and build that black back up. We're going to repeat the same process you did when you initially put the black down. Boom! I love glitter so much. And I know you're probably thinking, Marche, there is glitter everywhere. Don't worry. Grab that tape that we used in the beginning and you're going to gently press and remove that tape anywhere that glitter may have fallen. Now it's time to remove the tape, and this is so satisfying to me. Gently grab it by the corner and gently peel it off. Woo! So satisfying. Look at that corner. It could cut you. Now that our eyes are finished, we can move on to our face. Now remember, this is a New Year's Eve look, so that means you're going to be partying for a long time. So you want to make sure that your products and your prep ensure your makeup can last. Using a gripping primer, I'm going to go in with that. Now you're going to apply your base in a stippling motion to ensure an even coverage. I personally like to cover my dark spots first, so I'm going to do that before I go in with my foundation. I cover my dark spots by taking a full coverage cream concealer and applying it over without blending it out. We don't want to blend the coverage away because that's what we need it for. Stippling your foundation ensures for even coverage and there's no streaks in your base. Apply foundation to your forehead last because that's the first place that will show cakiness. Taking a full coverage concealer, we're going to apply that in our inner corner and our outer corner of our eye. Do not mess up our sharp edge. We're keeping that. You want to take your time blending out your concealer because you want a flawless under eye. Makeup is a process and it's not a quick one. You cannot rush perfection and you deserve a perfect under eye. This entire New Year's Eve look, we are giving full glamour. We are giving snatched, which means we are going to really bronze and bring some color back into the skin. Taking a cream bronzer and a stiff brush because you want to have control over where you're putting this product, you're going to build it up. Do not, I repeat, do not go in heavy with a cream bronzer or contour. And if you do happen to go a little too heavy on the bronzer, you can take your foundation brush and gently blend it back out. Taking a small angled fluffy brush, you can add some to your nose. Again, build it up. And if the lines are still a little bit sharp for you, taking that foundation brush, you can blend it back out. And voila! You are bronzed, you are concealed. Now, it's one of my favorite parts. Next up is blush. Using a liquid blush, apply one dot on your cheek and a smaller dot upward going toward your temple. Less is more when it comes to liquid blushes. Now that all our liquid products have been applied, we can go in and set with our powder puff and our powder. When setting with a powder puff, you want to press it into your setting powder, blow off the excess, and then press the powder into your under eye. Taking that same setting powder, we're going to apply some to the center of our forehead, our chin, and our smile lines. Because it's New Year's Eve, so of course you're going to be smiling. A lot of great things are coming your way in the new year. Taking your face powder of choice and a large fluffy brush, you're going to press into your powder and set the rest of your face. Now it's time to go in with our powdered bronzer. You're going to swirl your brush, dust off the excess, and apply it exactly where you put your cream bronzer. This look calls for a very pink blush in my opinion, so going in with your powdered blush, you're going to apply that to the apples of your cheek and taking it up towards your temples. Remember, a stippling motion to ensure control. Once you apply your blush, give yourself a smile because you look gorgeous. Now I know highlighter left the game for a minute, but she's back. Taking your favorite highlighter, apply it to the highest point of your cheeks and a little on your nose. You're glowing, darling, you're glowing. Now it's time to go back to finish the eyes. Taking your favorite black eye pencil, you're gonna apply that to your bottom lash line. Then you're gonna take the same two shadows we used to smoke out the black on our lid to smoke out the black on our lower lash line. Because our eyes are demanding so much attention, we're gonna go in with a pinky nude lip. Make sure your lip pencil is sharp so that you can get a precise line. And going back in with your lip liner to fill in the lip. And taking a nude gloss to go over. Now we are almost ready for the countdown. Change, do your hair, and meet me here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! We did it!
This is the finished makeup look. I am in love with it. I hope you are too. It's perfect for New Year's and the glitter is stunning. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and send this to a friend for New Year's Eve makeup inspo. Bye! Happy New Year!